Hi there, and welcome back. It's great to see you again. What we're going to do in this video is solve the equation 2 cosine of 3 theta plus square root of 2 equals 0 on the interval 0 to 2 pi, not including 2 pi. And as you can see, theta is going to be measured in radians. So first step to solving any of these trigonometric equations, notice that we have one trigonometric term, so we are going to isolate it to one side. So we have cosine of 3 theta is equal to negative square root 2 over 2. And this is good news because notice that this is one of the special values of cosine from the unit circle. So we're going to be able to find exact solutions here. Now notice that the angle is 3 theta. So I need to be concerned with the values of 3 theta that have this as the answer, the negative root 2 over 2 as the value. So I need to adjust my domain so that it's in terms of 3 theta. And as you can see, that's done quite easily by just multiplying all 3 sides by 3. So this means that the angles I'm interested in for the trigonometric equation with 3 theta are 3 theta ranging from 0 to 6 pi, which means 3 full rotations. So instead of just looking at one full rotation like we normally do, we're going to be looking at 3 full rotations. Now, all we do is we find all the solutions from one full rotation, and then we find angles coterminal to those for the other 2 rotations. So here's what we do. So cosine 3 theta equals negative root 2 over 2. That means 3 theta is equal to, so from the unit circle, cosine is negative. So that means quadrant 2 and quadrant 3, and that has a reference angle of 45 degrees. Oh, I'm sorry, pi over 4 radians. So that means that this angle is 3 pi over 4. So the cosine of 3 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. So that means 3 theta is equal to 3 pi over 4. And the other angle is in the third quadrant, which is pi plus pi over 4, which is 5 pi over 4. Now what we do is we need to get, so that takes care of 0 to 2 pi, we need to get all the angles on the next 2 full rotations. So that's just found by adding 2 pi, which gives us 11 pi over 4. We have 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi to give us 13 pi over 4. And then we're going to add 4 pi since, again, we want all the solutions within the first 3 rotations. So this is going to be 3 pi over 4, plus 4 pi, which is 16 pi over 4, so that's 19 pi over 4. And 5 pi over 4 plus 4 pi, which gives us 21 pi over 4. So our solutions are 3 theta is equal to, I'm just going to list them all out, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 11 pi over 4, 13 pi over 4, 19 pi over 4, and 21 pi over 4. So that means to find the actual values of theta, I just divide each of those by 3. So 3 pi over 4 divided by 3 is pi over 4. Think of it as multiplying everything by 1/3. So then we have 5 pi over 12, 11 pi over 12, 13 pi over 12, 19 pi over 12, and 21 pi over 12, which would simplify to 7 pi over 4. And all of those solutions are between 0 and 2 pi, and they all satisfy the original equation.